Hello everyone, this is Pyromuffin, and tonight we'll be doing some Magenta the Kitten Eating Ghost development. The first thing I think we will do today is point out that the Windows GUI is not stalling whenever we mouse over these bits of the UI. We got start menu, we've got scrolling, we've even got Cortana. Let's ask Cortana a question. Hey Cortana. No? No. Okay, well, no Cortana. But everything else seems to be working great. So, we've got Infinity Ward brand red water here, and we're going to be drinking some of that. Oh my god, this cat. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry we began. I actually have to put the cat in jail right now because he's going crazy. Oh, kitty. Oh, you're the worst cat. Oh, look at this cat. He's so terrible. Such a terrible kitten. Go to jail. Okay, the cat has been incarcerated. And we may begin the show in earnest now. Let's open up the ghost secret. What is it? Ghost stuff don't look folder. This is the wrong. Fuck this. Get out of here. We had a different one. Is it this? This is empty. I don't know what this is. It's probably a phone number. Someone's phone number. I don't know. What? Where was that? I mean, we had WordPad open, right? WordPad. Does this have like a recent documents? There it is. I don't really know where this is saved, but WordPad remembers, and that's all that matters. Well, look at the universe back there. It's actually pretty bad, I think. Let me just take a second to adjust that. Yeah, that's better? No? I can't tell. Actually, I managed to make it worse. How about that? Oh, cat hair. That's fantastic. Just look at that. We got the universe just creeping through. It's beautiful. Excuse me, I'm dying. So, we're going to go to our document. I actually had an idea for another kitten while I was asleep, and it's called the damp kitten, or maybe like wet, damp, dank kitten. This is damp kitten for now, or moist. I know people seem to hate the word moist, but it doesn't bother me, so. Yeah, we will think about doing that. Not tonight, probably. We've got other things to do. Right, I think tonight we will actually probably fix the menu all the way and have it so we can open and close the menu. Does that sound good? And also have it so that, I guess it disables. I feel like it should disable the player's controls while we use the menu. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it should do that. Because it doesn't pause the game when we open the menu. I feel like maybe that's like a feature we should add in once we've got pausing. Or even if we have pausing at all. I don't know if we will. Jeez, that cat really did a number on the chair. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's open up all the important pieces of software. We've got Unity. That's basically it. Unity's the only one we need. Hey, look at that. Video games. What's this? kitten menu with a big X on it. Looks upset. I don't know what that's about. Mm-hmm. Hey, there we go. Well, this seems different than it was yesterday, even though we didn't really make any changes to the game since last night. We'll have to think about that. We'll have to figure out why that's busted. What's this? Ah, didn't we have another bug here? Open and close. Selection indicator doesn't work. On regeneration. Okay. So those are the two things we need to figure out. The DPI is... We did increase the DPI. And I thought that there was the bug we were having earlier was because of the DPI, but it was actually because of the renderer in OBS. Oh, hey, Mafia Elite, what's up? We got someone in chat. How's it going? I'm gonna pop out the chat window here so I can monitor the chat while also monitoring the stream. That'll be good. If you have any questions or feel like giving suggestions or whatever, just feel free. So what were we doing? Oh yeah, we were checking out this null reference exception, selected kitten, la la la, child. Yeah, this seems all good. Maybe the prefab didn't get saved. The prefab doesn't have a kitten hole or a kitten entry. Where's that? Kitten menu entry. Yeah, it has all that. I'm unsure what the issue was. So it's confusing to me why things would change after just not having changed the game in any way. That's a little confusing to me. The only thing that happened between last time and this time is that I've restarted the computer. Okay, so we've got these kittens. So this is normal. All right, and our weapon selections still work. This is kind of busted still. The fact that the selection is like for both of these. Okay, well, we got buttons, and yeah. So we're where we were yesterday. All right. Somehow that got inverted. I don't know. It's Unity. Yeah, it's politics. I just realized that my face is kind of in the way of this interface here. Maybe I should shrink down a bit. Just become like a little tiny head in the corner. Hello, everyone. I am the corner gremlin. Now I'm out of the screen. Or maybe I should just become incredibly large. Hello, everyone. How do you like the video games? Oh, you can see all of the terrible geometry of my skin and body. How disgusting. Medium-sized. How about that? Medium-sized. Actually, I think this is larger than before. Eh? I don't know. If I'm in the way, I'll endeavor not to edit things in the bottom here. Why don't we just open up this? There we go. We can have this display, and we know that at about the top of here, that's where my stupid brain is. So we can't see anything above this. There's nothing important here, so don't worry about not being able to see that. Nice. Okay, what were we doing? We wanted to make sure that this... Well, we have two bugs, right? Let's have the turning on and off in a different script, right? We want... I don't remember what this panel is. This is the map panel. Let's make sure we name this map panel. Map panel. Map panel. Okay, good. Everything's confusing. That's what we require. Let's add a script to the canvas, because the canvas, we don't want to add a script to... Well, we already have a kitten menu script, but we don't want the turning on and off of the kitten menu to be part of the kitten menu script, because that would be bad, right? If we wouldn't turn off the script, there's no way to turn it back on because the script is off. Everything makes sense. Right. Whoa. That's like way worse than before even. Did my webcam move? I can't tell. Yeah? It's hard to say. What the heck? All right. Better than nothing, I suppose. Or maybe not. Maybe not better than nothing. What were we doing? I was being distracted. We're adding a script to the canvas. We're going to call this menus. Excuse me. Oh, terrifying. Rip your ears. Menu controller. Yeah? Sounds good. Menu controller, menu controller, menu controller. Well, we added a script and it didn't show up here. Cool. And for now, it's just going to do one thing. It's going to turn on and off. Oh, I got to sneeze again. Oh, terrible. It's going to turn on and off the kitten selection menu, right? So what we'll do is we'll get a reference to the kitten menus. New object. Actually, maybe we can just do kitten menu. And menu. And then in update, we're gonna get our input. I think we're just gonna like assign it to maybe start. So it's probably not the best button to use. Ideally, when we actually have the stomach menu in, you'll access the kitten menu by eating your own head. It'll be good, don't worry. It'll be really good. But right now, we don't have a stomach menu. This is just placeholder. We want to be able to switch between kittens. We don't have to eat our heads right now. I believe right now the start menu resets the game. Let's make sure that's actually the case. Oh crap, I didn't set the timer for the break, because we're still doing that. Hey Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes.
25 minutes and counting. Yeah, start button just resets the game. I think we'll switch that to the select button, or maybe the escape key on the keyboards, and we'll use the start menu for the start button for the kitten menu. Also, I just recalled that we actually want a thing. Make it so that kittens are collected but not displayed, right? So the issue is that we only want to display these kittens when they're equipped, and if we have more than 3 kittens equipped at a time, they're still going to be following us around, but essentially not being able to be used at all. Does that make sense? So, we really want, like, the kittens to get eaten and then be just added to the list but not actually equipped. Right now, they're following us around regardless of whether they're equipped or not, and we don't want that. So we need to add that in eventually. Okay, so what's going on? My brain just exploded. Right, we're turning on and off the kitten menu. So im.pad.get button down. This is going to be abstract button input dot start. Oops. Come back. Oh man, this song's really good. Too bad you can't hear it. I mean, Twitch can hear it, but YouTube, I'm sorry about that. If YouTube wants to listen along, we'll listen. The name of the song is called Beast in the Belly by Zomboy. In fact, maybe we'll just turn this up a little bit. Good. Good. All right, we'll just turn that back down. I think, what was it, 30 dBs was a good... Negative 30 dBs, I mean, or something like that. Negative 32. I'm not really sure. As long as it's not too loud in the Twitch stream. If it is, just let me know. Of course, we won't have that problem in YouTube, because there's no sound. Does this work? Does start? Yeah, okay. Nice. And we'll do kitten menu dot enabled equals not kitten menu dot enabled, right? This is just going to toggle it. And we also want whatever's causing us to, actually, let's start for button dots. Let's search the entire project for button dot start, because this is the trouble with having your input spread out over the entire project. When you need to find a thing, it's impossible. You have to do this. Oh, I already have a menu.cs button, apparently. Well, it makes more sense to put it here than it does it in the, and then creating a new script for it, right? I don't know where menus.cs is. Nope. I bet maybe it's on the player controller. That'd be a weird place to put it. Or maybe it's in the managers. It is. Haha, that makes more sense. Okay, so what we're actually going to do is just get rid of that completely, and we're going to put it on the managers. Oops. We'll just do a little bit of retyping there. Public kitten menu. Kitten menu. Actually, I feel like we should just disable the game object, right? It's not kitten menu dot set active. Game object dot set active equals not kitten menu dot game object dot get active. Active self, active in hierarchy. We'll do active self. So as you toggle it, we don't really have a way of resetting the game anymore. So, load level. All right, this is deprecated. What does it say we should use instead? Scene manager dot load scene, huh? Okay. That doesn't exist. All right, well, until we figure out the new... So they added in multi-scene editing in the last version of Unity, or the latest version of Unity. And honestly, I don't know what that is or how to use it. So, oh, we didn't assign the kitten menu. We should do that. Right there. Nope, right there. Okay. Hey, look at that. Okay. For some reason, we can't collect kittens anymore. Figure out the deal with that. A bug. What? Oh, that was the earlier bug. What is this? Find out if I can't find the kitten menu. Okay, that's because we're doing this stupidly, right? You know what? If this is an issue, we'll fix it, but I think right now it's actually probably okay to just refresh the menu even though the menu is not active. Does that make sense? Boy, blah, blah, blah. Because I think hiding and showing the menu, regardless of whether the menu is active or not, will introduce some other issues. It might not, though, but it might. Does that make sense? Okay. Hey, look at that. Okay, cool. We did not assign the kitten menu to the kitten system, though. All right. Do. Cool. That's enabled. And we have beams. Neat. Turn this off. And look at that. The kitten menu is a go. That issue where it's not regenerating correctly is a problem still, but does that, why doesn't the B button work? Do we break it? What seems to be the problem there? Look at that. Well, I've selected the, what the heck happened to this? Sorry, I've selected the, so the beam kitten is on Y now, right? So I'm pressing Y, and yet the beam kitten displays an X. That's, this is a bug. I did not press B at all. This is busted. All right, I'm not sure what the deal is with that. I'm wondering, do those script updates run when the menus? I believe they don't. Yeah, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm wondering if the script menu updates even while the game object is not active. I hope it doesn't. I hope that is not the case. Let's see what the stats are like. It kind of feels laggy. No, we're still at like 400 FPS. Not really sure. All right, well, the menu kind of works. I mean, we got menu disappearing and showing up. Let's fix the selection index thing. And then we'll think about doing something else. Let's go to here. We got open and closed. But the selection indicator doesn't work. So we'll figure out the deal with the selection indicator now. Selection indicator. Oh, and we need to unoverload the buttons, right? Because we don't want the X button to be both shooting and tonguing, right? So let's look at the code and figure out why, or what is causing those colors to happen. Kitten menu. Kitten list update. Okay, we destroyed the child holder. Kitten holder instantiate prefabs. We got these. And if the index is the selection index, then we update the selected status. Oh. And entry script dot update status false. Well, this might fix one of the bugs. It's not going to fix all the bugs, because you'll notice sometimes all the menu options are empty. So why is that happening? I don't know. Well, that didn't fix anything. That's highly bizarre to me. Highly bizarre. Does update selected status actually change the background color? Yeah. Huh. Kitten in the kitten system kittens. Yep. We add buttons and then we update the selected status for each entry. Oh. Well, we made a very easy bug there. We actually never increased this. Well, that seems to be definitely a source of issues there. Now we'll see. Hey, look at that. Okay. Well, hopefully that was all the issues we are having. The B button is still not working. Oh, there it is. The B button just doesn't work unless it's... And then we can't change the value on this at all. Actually, the fart kitten is unable to be changed. Well, it looks like we've actually set this kitten to be all the kittens. So we should fix that. Actually, that makes sense if it's not exclusively unkittening the other kitten type, right? Okay, well, I can kind of understand why that issue's happening. Right, this would be in the kitten system. So once we've updated kitten button, see, yeah, all this does is set the query button for kitten. Yep. So yeah, this sets the kitten, but it doesn't unset the other. If the cat is part of the other ones. So we need some more logic here. Basically, we're going to say if y kitten equals kitty, y kitten equals no. If x kitten, or sorry, b kitten equals kitty, b kitten equals null. I am really failing on this double equals thing. It must be a streaming thing, because I actually rarely make this mistake in real life. In non-streaming life. Get rid of that. Of course, we are copying and pasting here, so we may wind up with issues from cutting and pasting. But hopefully, we are smart enough to account for that. Y kitten equals kitty. If X kitten equals kitty, then X kitten, and that's fine with the B kitten. So B kitten equals kitty, and if Y kitten, and this is X kitten, right? So there, we should be unsetting the cat or the kitten for all other kittens now. And let's test that. So there. Okay, look, we are unsetting it. Hey, that seems to work correctly. Look at that. All right. The menu seems to be working correctly now, which is great. We don't have an indicator. Did we actually put that on the list? Add in indicator. Kitten equipment indicator. That's the little thing in the corner that says, or maybe if we're doing the webcam, the upper right corner that's like fart kitten is equipped to this button or this button or this button, right? We don't have that yet. I don't think this is on the list, but right now we want to unfuck the other buttons there. So our player controller, we are currently, this is probably our largest script. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Right. What were we want to make it so that the face buttons don't do anything. So we'll have to figure that. I'm gonna search for button.x. Player attack. I feel like player attack script isn't even in the game, so don't worry about it. This apparently isn't doing anything. We've got spinning attack and tongue trigger. That's in a comment. That is also not a thing. This is it. Okay, we want to... We used to have a slowdown in the game, which would be like stopping time whenever the tongue was extended. So right now, the only way to tongue now is going to be with the right trigger. So we should make sure that's actually the case. Yep, looks like it. Okay. Look at that. Right triggering, but X doesn't do anything. It only shoots the beam kitten. Yeah, I feel like we should be able to... Okay. Maybe we need to fix that positioning thing. Well, it's not really a fix, but we need to add in positioning. Because the beam kitten, as it is right now, doesn't really do anything for us. If the enemy's not jumping, right? Oh well. Does that dash jumping still work? Uh-huh. Cool. All right. And restart the game. Nice. We still have the other buttons assigned. Well, we have the B button assigned to dashing, so we'll want to unassign that. Oh, did I? Whoa, sorry. Well, I'm pressing every button. What is this? I don't know what this is. Maybe it was from... restarting the game or pressing a button while the menu is open. Right, I think the issue here is the selection index starts at 0, and if we don't have any kittens equipped, or any kittens at all, then the menu is not going to know what to do, right? Because we don't have any kittens at all. I'm okay with that being a bug for now. We can fix that later. I'll just stick that in the list of things. Make sure the kitten menu behaves if we don't have any kittens. Right, so I was undashing as well. Done.b. This is confusing. I don't want to mess with this because because it is a mire. I feel like start dash and dash button should be the same, right? Dash button. Like, is there a difference here? I do not know. The player controller is it's very hard to... Oh, what did I do? I didn't mean to hit the explore button. The player controller is pretty complicated, so what the heck? So it's hard to keep it tame. Okay. And we're not dashing anymore. Cool. Oops, didn't mean to restart. All right, we got beams, we got farts. Great. What do we want to do next? Oh, the alarm is going off. Time to take a break. Be back in a couple of minutes.